What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. We haven't looked at it in a while. So here we've got the 55 and the 69 EMA. I'm not going to explain a lot about the 69 other than the market's a troll, guys. The top was 69k, so I'm going to use this 69 EMA. And I found some nice strategies which I've shown you on the weekly time frame. For example, we are waiting for this crossover to happen. Look how close we are from this 69, the blue one, and the 55 to form this bearish cross. This is what we're waiting for the market to signal us the end of this dump. Basically, once this crosses over, we could actually have a higher low. And this has been explained in other videos. Like over here, when we had the crossover, it was already, the low was already in, and that was your higher low. If we go back to here as well, our crossover was right here on the higher low. Your bottom was in, the higher low. So we know that the bottom potentially is in, and once this crosses over, that should signal that the bottom was 100% already in, and that was the higher low. We should just now wait for a higher high for us to commence this bull market, because that's what a bull market is: higher highs and higher lows. That's what an uptrend is. People get confused about bull market, bear market. There's multiple types of bear markets. Well, there's the multi-year one, but also we must realize that a bear market is just a downtrend, and that's why I told you guys, once we lost this low, 39k, this is where I sold 50% of my total crypto, which I started to invest down here, and when we got to 22k over here, and down here at the bottom, and have been accumulating ever since we basically hit this 200 EMA, that on the weekly time frame. That is why I started investing, because this 200 EMA, if we zoom out, it resets the market. Yes, you can go below, and yes, you can actually stay below for 6 months plus. So over here, we were here from November 2018 all the way until April 2019. So 5 to 6 months. And then I told you guys that my bottom target was 17 point something K because of this. This is where we got our tech target for this dump. We literally, I think we were $20, or I might be mistaken, but we were very, very close to this tech target. Let me get it exactly for you guys. So from there to there, and then right there. Perfect. So move it perfectly. So right there, you can see we had a target in around 17 and a half, just a bit above 17.5k, and our low was, I'm just reading up here, L low, 17,592. So very close, like $70 off. Amazing to see that. Amazing to see that. So that is personally why I believe that the bottom is in. I've just explained we're waiting for this bearish cross to happen, not bullish, bearish, because this is a lagged indicator on the weekly time frame. So once this forms the bearish cross, as seen over here and over here, it was always the bottom. Okay, the bottom was already in. So look, the bottom was in there, and we went into a bull market. This crossed over, the bottom was already in, bull market. This has not yet crossed over, so wait for that higher low. Once it crosses over, bull market. As simple as that, guys. This is what we're waiting for. Now again, I just want to bring your attention to some altcoins. Now this is not an altcoin video. I just want to bring your attention to them quickly, because alts like your XRP down here have actually gone up. Another crypto like Quant on the daily time frame, I was telling you guys that if we're breaking above 60, we should start to head up to these EMAs. As long as we're below 60, chances are we're going to try and roll back over to low 40s. This is what I left everyone that watches the Quant videos with last week, because I think I only made one last week on my birthday. So that's what we're waiting for. So alts are breaking out upwards while Bitcoin is not doing anything. And now this could mean that the altcoins are leading. We can see this on charts such as, let's go on XRP Bitcoin. So XRP against Bitcoin is going up. This means that if you're holding XRP at the moment, it's actually going up more than Bitcoin is. This means that if you are trading to get more, if you just want more Bitcoins in general in your life, guys, basically, at the moment, it's best to invest in XRP to then sell into Bitcoin. So because Bitcoin's not moving at the moment, or not moving as much, XRP is gaining on Bitcoin's price. And with that, at the moment, it would be amazing from XRP to get into Bitcoin at the moment, because XRP is dominating Bitcoin according to the XRP Bitcoin chart. So what that means for me is that we're in an altcoin season. This could be proved if we head to the Bitcoin dominance chart, market cap Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, type that in, BTC.D. First one there, right there. Oh, Bitcoin. Let me type in dominance then. Bitcoin dominance. Oh. Anyway, guys, I just type in total market cap or MCAP BTC, and that should come up. Crypto cap one here. And then, yeah, as we're going down, this basically means that Bitcoin's losing total market share of, total market share. So we're at currently 43%. Bitcoin, once it hit 48%, decided that no, there's too much market share. You can see here, this is where altcoin rallies begin. So in the last bull market we were in, this was the rally basically from in and around October to January 2022. Over here as well, the July low of last year. Do you remember the dip, the May dip last year? Awful. Well, I bought the bottom. It was about 22nd of June, my birthday exactly. So I got really lucky that that was the exact bottom of last year, 28k of the dip, sorry. And then obviously we double bottomed, and on the Bitcoin dominance, once we reached about 48.95%, it decided that, this is too much market share for Bitcoin. Let's give some more market share to the alts, and the alts gained about 8 to 9% market share on Bitcoin. So it meant that there was an altcoin rally, meaning that altcoins will go up in value more than Bitcoin does, basically. That's what it basically means. Or even if they're not moving whatsoever, they're sort of going sideways, the alts. But that because their moves are bigger, even though it could be in a consolidation period, like what we're seeing now with Bitcoin, we're in some sort of consolidation period down here. And so is XRP, of course, but because XRP is an altcoin, it's easier to move. That's why it's gone up a lot more, even though we are just ranging at the moment. Because it's an altcoin, this is why we're seeing altcoin season. So I hope that was very clear to understand. I hope you guys have been enjoying this video so far today. And we just need to sit back and wait, because the altcoins could be leading or they could be lagged. So again, this is why I always tell you guys, Bitcoin is going to decide. We're at key resistance. Unfortunately, our stop loss was met on a trade. We had a stop loss just over here at 21,800, and you can see it got tapped out. And then so a little liquidity grab, and then it still hasn't decided what it wants to do. So it was kind of going sideways for good like 4 or 5 days. So not a lot of volatility in the market. It is going to come. We're going to decide, are we going to have one more push down, something that we've made everyone aware on the channel of. So we could let's put it to there now. We could potentially be going to 15.5k. We've been saying this on the channel since we put in this low. We said we're going to get this retracement as we're expecting. Then is it going to form a double bottom, or are we actually going to lose the low and head to 15k? This is what I've told you guys in the last week. So if you don't remember, go watch last week's videos, or if you do remember, congratulations. Make sure to like the video. Send in a super thanks, guys, because it's so motivating. If you want charts that you actually want me to make videos on, send them down in the super thanks. So of course, donate to the channel, and instead of just saying thanks, write a message. Louis, please can we take a look at Matic? Please can we take a look at XCAD? Please can we take a look at... If you send them in the super thanks down below, that will be a priority for me. So thank you guys so much for the support on the channel. It would mean the world if you could also subscribe and leave a comment down below, as well as if you're a new face on the channel. Don't forget, we've also got education here, where we've got some mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, where you sit with me for 20 plus hours, and I'll teach you how to become a self-sufficient trader. You also get the 6-hour crypto course included, which is 30 plus hours, or sorry, 6 hours of the course and 30 plus videos. That's what I meant. You also get the crypto chat for free included. If you just want to take the course, you get the crypto chat for free included. But if you want to take the mentorship, you actually get the crypto chat for free until my bull market targets, as well as the crypto course completely for free. So you're learning from that while doing the lessons with me. So again, there's not much more to say, guys, other than we're waiting to see, after hitting my stop loss, what is this reaction? Are we going to break above these EMAs like the altcoins I have already been doing? Or will this come back down to in around this low? And of course, because this support is stronger than the support below, if we actually lose, let's get you the level, I'm going to use that wick. If we actually lose the 050, 19,624, I know this is the golden pocket. This is where you should bounce from. This is what should hold us as support. This is a fib retracement, a push, an exhaustion phase down, and a continuation. Or we could still be exhausting down before continuation. That's what should happen. But we know if we're losing the golden pocket, the 0618, if we're closing below the 0618, we're creating that reversal wave. But I actually want to add another point onto that. We do have a wick here and a wick here. So yeah, guys, if we're actually closing below the 050 to the 0618, I would say that this is a stronger support than the one below. So I would anticipate that if we lose this support, we would be losing the 1 fib level and heading to these lower down targets for Bitcoin. Again, just break this high, the 0 fib level, 21,800, and we could see Bitcoin going to a minimal of around 23k. Don't get overexcited thinking we're going to 25k. I'm looking at these wicks over here that are going to stop us. So 23k would be my next technical target for Bitcoin. And will Bitcoin follow the alts as the alts have already done this? Or while Bitcoin is under these EMAs, is it going to roll over and completely drag down all these altcoins? Let's have a look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Send in a super thanks for any charts that you want to see. Don't forget, I've got the education too. Head over to Twitter. The link is down below and just private message me there. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.